Hey everyone, Tim here, Head Gear Garage. Today we have a new project. We bought this hitch mounted cargo carrier from Amazon. It's made by Vevor. I bought this, full disclosure, I bought this with my own money. Vevor has no idea who I am. They did not send me this. They're not asking me to do any reviews on this. So let's get this thing unboxed, take a look at it, and see if it is going to do what I need it to do. Okay, as I said, hitch mounted receiver from Vevor. It is load rated, I think, right around 500 pounds. Let's get her unboxed here, get her up on the makeshift table I made. Put up. Let's see what we got. Some assembly required. Just a little more organized here. This is a storage bag that fits inside of it. So part of the reason, one of the big reasons I selected this particular model. We'll look at that here after we get it assembled. Okay, so assembly was pretty straightforward. Their directions, not as much. I ended up running out of washers because I don't think I was supposed to I put 4 on, or 2 on each of these bolts. And I only think I was supposed to put 1 because I ran out. So, no big thing for me. I just went up and grabbed some hardware that I had. Let's see what else here. Like I said, the assembly was pretty straightforward. It does come with a pin, although I realize now that I put the wrong pin in here. This pin goes with that. This pin goes in here. So that pin will go in one of these. All right, I got you set up on the tripod here. We're going to do our first test run here. fun. A little on the heavy side. Get her started. We're lined up. All right. Okay, there's a bungee net, which is kind of nice. Comes with 2 straps. You go over your cargo and hold down. The big reason I got it here's the main reason I picked this particular one. The overall price of this whole kit, everything you've seen so far, was better than me buying the cheapest one of these I could find and this bag separately. Buying this together was considerably cheaper. This is some more straps. It comes with a lock. This is a waterproof bag that is the same size as the carrier, which is 60 by 24, and then this thing is 24 inches high. It's got a pretty decent looking zipper on it. You guys can see that. It's all Velcroed together here. It's got a pretty decent zipper. As I said, it is. When it's in here, it'll be like this if I fill her all the way up. That to me is worth the price of admission. Then the straps tie into these. You can lock it with the zipper. Not too worried about that. Yep, 6 straps, six latching points for these straps to go through. And you can tie them right off to the railing here. And this thing is supposed to have a load rating 500 pounds. So let's test it. What do you think? Fantastic. As a load rating of 500 pounds, as you saw, I could stand on it. Now, I don't weigh anywhere near 500 pounds, thankfully. But all in all, I mean, I think it's pretty good. I think it's going to work for what I need. The model is, it is model, well, you can read that, but it's CW03. It's the Hitch Cargo Carrier by Vevor. So, as I said, this is just going to be a short video. We got her installed. It was a pretty easy installation, minimal effort. The directions leave a little to be desired, but I'm sure I don't have all these bolts in the right places because I'm looking at them. Like that one's longer than that one. All the rest of them look to be a right size. Don't know. I'm happy with it. Main reason for this was not for the truck. It's for the Acadia. When we go on a trip, it'd be nice to be able to store a bunch of stuff out in the back. And then this feature does have the feature to fold up. I did not try it. Let's see if we can't fold this bad boy up and see what that looks like on here. we go. Okay, so that's pretty handy actually. 60 inches long, 24 inches deep, 24 inches wide. So 60 long, 24 wide. Same as the bag. And then, like I said, there's a cargo net as well. If you're not using the bag, you can put your stuff on there and just strap it down with the netting, which is kind of nice, I guess. All right, that'll do it for this episode of the Vevor hitch mounted cargo carrier assembly and installation. Hope to catch you on the next one. Tim, Headgear Garage, we're out.